Hello everyone! Today I'll be using this iridescent white glitter and light blue purple confetti. I'll also be using this satin powder, and this one has a purple iridescent shimmer to it. And finally these two gel polishes, and I'll create marble-like designs with those. So first I'm going in with some builder gel to create a layer to adhere the glitter to the nail. And I want to make sure that the entire surface of the nail is covered with the glitter. And once that's done, I cure that. And then brush off the excess glitter. Now I'm adding an additional layer of gel, and this is for the confetti. And it doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to have enough on the nail so that the confetti will stick to the nail. And for the design, I like to put the bigger pieces towards the cuticle end and the smaller pieces more towards the free edge, but I also add a variation by adding some of the smaller pieces like throughout the nail as well. And I kind of just look at it and see how I like the design, and I can kind of move it around until I'm satisfied. And then I cure that. Now I'm going in with some more gel, and this time just to overlay all the confetti and design. So I want to make sure that everything is covered so when I go to file, I won't file off the confetti. And cure that as well. And I prepared the other two fingers the same way. And then the remaining fingers will get the gel polish. So for this design, I just add both of the gels, and I'm just going by how I feel I want the gels to kind of look. So there's really no pattern, and they'll both be blended together. So it's just up to preference. So now I'm taking a separate brush and just kind of blending it in. And if I need more gel, I'll just add that to the nail and blend it some more. And once that's cured, I'm going in with a second coat, and this will help the nail to have a little bit more definition, because as you can see, it was kind of really light. So this will add more color to the nail, and I blend this as well. Until I kind of like the look. Okay, once that's done and I cured all of that, I go in and start shaping up the thumb, the middle finger, and the ring finger nails. The ones with the gel polish, I leave that till the end to add the top coat, and then I'll add the satin powder to that and then top coat it once more. So this part's really important for the definition and shape of the nail. And then I just finished it off with a hand file just to make sure that everything's smooth. So as I was saying earlier, I'm going to go in with top coat, and I'll top coat all the fingers, but this is just showing how I apply the satin powder, because only the index and the pinky will get the satin powder. So same as usual, just paint it on and then cure it for 30 seconds. And now I'm ready for the satin powder. So I'm adding it with the tool, and I just use my finger to kind of rub it in. And now all the nails are top coated. And this is a really simple and cute look, and it can be worn pretty much any time of the year. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.